This is a 2019 BMW K1600B. This bike is a limited edition. The color of it is Monolith Matte Metallic. It's actually a metallic matte paint job. Just a great combination. This is BMW's hot rod bagger. It has a 6-cylinder 1600cc engine pumping out almost 160 horsepower and almost 129 foot-pounds of torque. This bike will get up and go and do it in style and comfort. As like all BMWs, it is loaded with all kinds of factory standard features for comfort and safety and performance. Now this hot rod bagger has 3 performance modes. One is dynamic, which is full-on throttle response and power. One is cruise mode, which is just say you're going down the highway, get your best fuel economy. And one is a rain mode. So when you're out on a wet road and you give it the gas, with all the horsepower and torque this bike has, you don't end up spinning the tire and possibly having an accident. It also has 6 electronic suspension modes, a road mode and a cruise mode. And inside each one of those settings is a 1-up with luggage, and a 2-up mode. And you can set all these with the push of a button and find just the exact sweet spot for the ride you're looking for. It has cruise control, central locking, security system, heated grips, heated seat front and rear with separate controls. It has reverse, in case you get parked downhill or in the gravel and you need to move the bike. You don't want to slip. It has a hill start assist, and what that does is you pull up on a hill at a stoplight or a red light, and we've all been there, you're trying to feather the clutch and give it the gas and hold the brake and not roll backwards and stall the bike. Well, this will set the front brake and hold the bike, and you can just concentrate on the clutch and the gas and pull away smoothly and not have to worry about stalling it. Has electronical adjustable windshield, so you can find just the right spot. These are your highway pegs. They're actually a floorboard. Underneath it is an engine guard. You've got LED adaptable headlights, LED driving lights. You also have big LED taillights, so this bike has a lot of visibility. Now the Wonderlic passenger backrest and luggage rack have been added to this bike, which is a very high dollar accessory. And the BMW navigation system has been added to it. Nice big 7-gallon tank, aircraft style fuel door. Just a great all-around bike. You can go cross country, go out, rip the Twisties, or just go cruising. For information on how to put this beautiful limited edition BMW K1600B in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now this bike has only 6,029 original miles on the odometer. The 6,000 mile BMW service has been completed, and a new set of tires have been put on it. So this bike is ready for the highway. Give us a call, see if we can put this beauty in your garage. Thank you.